Hi friends, how are you? Today we show friends. I forgot
Last video.
already this video. Already I'll put this video in last time. Friends, today my opinion is how to apply the cone in your pen drawing. Okay, you whenever you want to learn mehendi, first of all you draw pen, you after that you apply the using cone. Okay, this process is very easy. You apply easily, you learn easily apply the cone in pen marking. Next time you prepare to just using for cone. Okay, you remember one thing, every art is depending upon our practice. Okay, first you draw some small design, or you should draw one flower using pen. After that after that after that you apply the every day, you draw one flower, one simple flower. Again you you take a cone and you apply as it is pen way. You practice every day, you practice these basic shapes. You easily learn from mehendi designs. Sometimes you want to learn, sometimes you generally use it, take a one cone and you easily draw some shapes yourself. Okay friends, but practice is main important for you. Whenever you stop the practice, you back to starting position. Okay, you remember this thing. You have any doubts, and you have any doubts, and you give some suggestions, and any for your opinions, you you comment me. Okay, Friends, are you practice these basics every day? Friends, any mistakes in my shape, you just suggest me, and it is correct. No problem, it is correct. This is also some basics you learn. Okay. Okay, I'll show some more designs. I'll show you. I'll show some more basics in my further videos every day. But you subscribe, you thank you for watching my video. Please friends, don't forget to practice. Okay. We'll meet next video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Please support me. Thank you.